Hello there, my name is Temilola Alu. Welcome to another week where we'll be focusing on destroy to rebuild. Basically, our anchor will be on bitterness, unspoken hurt, and resentment that has become like a wall in our hearts. And what will be the cause of a wall being built around your heart? It is so that you are being protected. That's you. It's like your mindset, subconscious mind is trying to protect you from pain. Someone has hurt you, someone has betrayed you, someone has gone above and beyond what they've gone below the belt. And so you now built that wall around you so that you protect yourself from another form of attack that you might not predetermine or know, like you were caught off guard from the previous one. But now, in the process of protecting yourself, have you noticed that you haven't been able to heal because even you are locked in that cage that you have locked others out to keep them out of hurting you? But you can actually bring it to Jesus. The Bible says, say, come unto me, all ye that labor and are heavy laden, and I'll give you rest. It means that he's going to pull down those walls that you have built. It wasn't imposed, you built it. You are the author of that wall of defense, that wall of protection. And Christ is saying that you don't have to bear it anymore. You can heal. You need to heal to be able to move on. And so if you come unto him with your weight and your heaviness, you can lay down at your feet, at his feet. You can lay down at his feet and he will heal you. He will give you rest. You can come out of that cage. You can come out of it and breathe the life of freedom that only Jesus guarantees. Say, my peace I leave to you, not like the world will give you, because anything the world gives you, they are going to get 10 times more than they are actually giving to you. And so you cannot depend on the short-lived peace, so to speak, of the world. There is no peace and there's no certainty. There's no guarantee that the same person who is seemingly like your fortress will not turn around and try to hurt you again. But Jesus is the guarantee that you can make him your fortress, you can make him your refuge, you can make him your defender, your anchor, and your Lord. Say today that God destroy every form of defense that bitterness has caused in my life, that pain and resentment, unspoken unforgiveness that is within. Lord, I give you the right of way to destroy and pull them down and build me in you, in your love, in your peace, in your forgiveness. He said that if you are able to forgive other people, you also are opening yourself to forgive. It might be heavy to try to drop it, but I guarantee you that if you actually just trust him to forgive that person, as hard as it may be, as difficult or as painful as it would be, you actually be releasing a weight and you be able to breathe easy, exhale, and allow the mercy and the lavish grace of God to come upon you and wash you and make you clean. Say to yourself that has given me the grace to forgive, and so I forgive, and I